Hi, my name is Cecelia. I'm a longtime fan and customer of Annie's Attic. Currently, I'm working on the Granny Square Crochet Afghan in the sand and stone colorway, and I was asked to talk a little bit about my progress. Well, when I first saw this pattern, I knew I had to get it. I fell in love with the colorway, of course, but I knew that this was a pattern that was going to keep my attention from start to finish with all of the variety in the squares and stripes, large and small. One of the things that I've come to expect in an Annie's Attic kit is a beautiful collection of yarn. This is the yarn for the sand and stone kit, and as you can see, it's a lot of yarn. It all ships together. You get it all at once. What's nice is it is the premier anti-pilling everyday worsted yarn. It's soft and it is a joy to work with. And of course, the written instructions along with the online videos will give me the confidence to know that if I run into something tricky that I've never used before or a stitch I've never seen before, that the video will show me how to do it correctly and I'll be able to complete the pattern. One of the things I love about this project is that each kit has a variety of small and large squares and a stripe or two. And they go pretty fast. You can pretty much get a kit done in a short amount of time if you put your mind to it. What I also discovered is that you don't start assembling the pieces together until kit 10. So I knew I was going to have to be organized in keeping track of the pieces as I finished them. So my process is that after each piece, I weave in the ends. After each kit, I block them, and then I tag each piece so that I'll be able to identify where they go when it's time to assemble. I'll show you that next. When I received my kit, I got all of this beautiful yarn to complete the entire project. I also received the digital copies of each kit, and I printed them out, so I'll be ready. And I've completed 4 kits so far. Here is 3 of them that are already blocked, and kit number 4 is getting ready to be blocked. One of the things I decided to do to make my life easier is to take the color chart that's on the inside page of each kit, and I taped it to the outside of my working yarn bag so that I don't have to flip back and forth on pages to see what color J is supposed to be. I'm getting ready to block kit number 4, which is right here. I found this blocking board online that is perfect for these smaller size pieces, and all of the pieces for a single kit will fit on that board nicely, which you'll see shortly. Once I'm done blocking, I take a label and label each piece so that I'll be able to find it when I'm getting ready to assemble. I keep each kit separate in a larger bag and hope that that's going to help me when it's time to assemble. Okay, kit 4 is on the blocking board. Time to get ready for kit number 5.